Atena make sure them who them be who fear hade. Nara watu no who's in the bishop of comedy. Nankasa is in order no do a parrot mouth and they pay momo watching.
That's it. Boko.
But one kasa no Nigerian yana de Ghana.
Me Nigerian in Nigeria.
Nigeria.
That's right.
Honestly, abazi.
Me papa is Nigeria. Me mama is Nigeria.
Okay.
So your Kaboma Nigeria.
That's right. That Ghana hana wo.
Debbie. We move Nigeria now. Me share Nigerian system now and koye. Now me say me coffee pay visa. Me visa now me say just stamp me for life. Say me back Ghana for life. Now me say there be the person me call but you pay me choice and say me tina ha. So me tina Ghana.
And I don't know for Parrot's mouth and I pay be you know high you know chichun come on say you be you follow Christian comedy na za ozi marketing or honom ye papa nti no ye nyim no ho you know ho na pay menya no o ha dey na ye bo chichun come send o upcoming show be or ba ye nka say for event no na wi na ya chichun come kakra bi because time no okọ papa nti no can want some correction. So
laugh it off your event. Event will be we're 6 years now, professionally 6 years.
Okay.
So every year, me person last Sunday of every April.
Okay.
My birthday, April my birthday, me 6 April. So me dream Hana me say me name say confirm be April born. The last Sunday of April, no, we share system now. Event be say a Christian comedy event and now be sir and course sir. And me say okay. Me organizing me Hana me year BB. So we in the last 2 years, last 3 years, we have six edition. So we me friend me guy back will be me bra Penny over Nigeria. Me say, hey, Akporo, me person back Ghana. Baba year back will be now. So Obeba. So my friend real worry picking. Now first or kesi besisi they was slay queen. Now me say bra Ghana. So go utina Nigeria only light. Untimi charge you phone. Untimi yeshi. So bra Ghana now say Obeba. So we me hosti Akporo, me hosti real worry picking. Now me say me to me hosti sa confirm me no pay. Me person me talking that me cars and far Ghana. So me pay map of Ghana no. Now me ko far big head DKB. Ko who DKB tia, we who say Ghana edosu. So me fa DKB Putogo chemical ni bra ba ko be for Nigeria also para mock news. So yes Sunday we are 28th of April. Over airport, AIS Auditorium, Association International School, 5 p.m., 5 to 10. Okay. Because my say next day, next day be a holiday. But my friend president now see that or be here baby wo new office blah blah blah. Now me say me person me here holiday. My casa now so be get it back to me. But what friend me so now me phone you do.
Okay, Nigeria is never emo nkwana we bought on him because me him Ghana people was Ghana had them tree only came na no they are not even close. Hey, how long have you been in Ghana? About no come how many years?
Call be 8 years. Hey,
and I tree come oh, wow.
So dig dokuna na odi fufu ni light super obe country.
This is amazing. The parrot's mouth. Also, the young can laugh it off.
Laugh it off. Yeah.
What are we laughing off?
So, we say from December, basically April. Adia bebe. Te me bisa say, we catch him say, say doom so wo me we catch him say, onya broke heart. We so be catch him say ni oni sika. We catch him say so. Media mindset or me intention about event we Baby Siri. Okay. So who or whether you laugh, whether you don't laugh, if you are depressed, you are depressed. So the best thing is just to laugh out your problem. Just laugh the problem off. Siri kakra. So who Syria, who say time about so ubewu. So Siri.
So Siri.
Laugh.
How is it like doing comedy, Christian comedy? Because a chrome had Christians, were very sensitive. It's me when I can people look at you in a certain way. Challenges now.
So me now first now me person me call Asori Bakubi, and a chair. There some years ago, Papa no friend me na Debbie ni guy Bakufi na so na friend me say so me baby baby na me say okay. Me could do hope. Na me here not be. Papa say untimi jina altar no. Let me say, Adom, see, you encourage comment, Papa, you're very serious, you're very strict. Let me say, oh, me that's it. Let me come here. But yes, fast forward, last year, me tuna me baby, star Papa Nusu, or friend me boss back, Prophet Kofi Odro. Now I say, oh, yeah, me say, me by here, ni birthday party, manu. I mean, now me catch him, Papa, oh, me come, ayenshi. Do they know? I'm a farm phone 2 flight menko, so yeah, 1-1. So sometimes obi be catch yourself untimi ye but who call scriptures no laughter your Bible untimi siri the Bible say me to cause you to laugh like a dream when the Lord turned the captivity of Zion they were like them that dream it and they laughed so say who say we are serious untimi bonfire from morning till night bonfire morning till night ube ko juma ube didi so sometimes me who obi na catch yourself oh every time you have to be serious that's why you see some people they are big who say big size and show pride and arrogant Johnny
you say it's no so what the pride and arrogance not to channel what was the better
obe lose weight obe nya six pack
o camera you show na invite obi to
where me camera see me who are no share me no focus see my God who focus on say commercial prophet obe here about obe didi my God hallelujah 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 to make a Sunday way, my God. Time now 5 p.m. Association. Airport traffic light. Ube investor kesiye be. Round. Foul ticket 100 cities. 150 cities. Tinasi. Nasiri. Mehu. Yamishrao. Now you're kesiye. Peace out. Bye.
Yo, it's Parrot Barton that yesterday can watch you laugh it off. AIS auditorium. When she am no honor Sunday yeah also between 5 o'clock.
Yeah, 5 to
no Ghana man time.
No.
We're Nigerian man time.
No, we're US time. So who said Nigerian time? You best start at 10 p.m.
Okay, it's also chamber no Ghana one time. Young women and young support comedy business na papa comedy shows for Ghana it's not a joke. They are doing very well. See, you support Adom TV especially. You support comedians here papa. Also see you there. Your mama's an English na esro e papa. Happy birthday, Uncle Ma Doctor Nana Adepa Kum Krampa. Apeja hene of Enyai Denchira State and Benkum hene of Achiapim Division. Happy birthday Nana Wonkodo Nyami Shro na onyo kese pa Ifri Adepa Odifo your Charles of Givers Industries. Ochema yema happy birthday. So Kodamara also na happy birthday so Konkoma Gertrude AJ of Osu Castle Road. A ra ajwa budua Baden nos na monwe show. Happy birthday famo Nyami show na onyo kese pa also wish your man there wa woda no happy birthday to you. Na mamanda ma one more bomb butumuzi bro Thomas Festus our house Moses or yes sound the Mara and the Presla na man nor direct. Ama ampoma Bilonze am producer. Na me adoma ye bese ye Parrot na me show bebrebe dey. Na
me show also. Me da say wa host me da say bebrebe. Me talk kenkema why? Huh? Me talk kenkema ye function. Kenkeni moko ni kosia ni tilapia baku ni momoni. Obey come papa. It's no no kwasaba again na ha na mizo ubesim da papa dey. Etna se na anyimie nyame adoma ye bese na ye share. Sisi ara is a man at all.